Stop ant colonies from returning by combining targeted baiting, defensive perimeter treatments, and habitat modification. Start by mapping ant activity across your yard to identify trails, nests, and entry points into structures. Apply defensive lawn granules labeled for ant control along the property perimeter and high-traffic edges one time in early spring and again in late summer, following label rates and keeping granules dry until activation. For colonies that survive or are found after treatment, use slow-acting sugar and protein baits placed directly on active trails and near nest entrances. The ants will carry bait back to the queen and brood because slow-acting active ingredients allow colony-wide transfer. Amend the soil in nesting hotspots with organic matter such as compost and well-aged mulch to increase moisture retention and beneficial microbial activity, which makes the site less attractive for nesting and reduces the need for repeated chemical applications. Repair irrigation issues and eliminate standing water because overly dry or compacted soils invite nesting while inconsistent moisture encourages movement of colonies. Adjust sprinkler heads and water deeply but infrequently to favor turfroot health. For stubborn infestations, consider spot treating nests with boiling water or a non-repellent insecticide dust placed into galleries, accessed by lifting a small patch of turf, but use these only as targeted measures and not as the sole. System-wide strategy. The three most common mistakes are treating only visible ants without locating the colony so people see temporary reductions but not elimination, relying solely on repellent sprays that push colonies deeper or to other parts of the yard, and neglecting habitat factors such as bare soil and excess mulch that encourage reestablishment. To fix the first, always spend time tracing trails to find the nest or treat with baits that transfer through the colony. To fix the second, use a combination of defensive, granular perimeter control and non-repellent baits rather than broad contact repellents. To fix the third, modify landscape practices by adding organic matter, reducing excessive mulch depth to 1 inch around plant stems, and maintaining even moisture with proper irrigation scheduling. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors who perform lawn and pest management tasks, and we host a discussion community where neighbors and professionals share real-world experiences and tips. We help contractors find work by listing service opportunities and encouraging conversation that turns into business leads.